Most people still think AI is only good for writing essays or generating funny images. But a small group of creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are quietly using AI to build systems that work in the background, create content faster, and automate tasks that used to take hours. Today, we're breaking down 10 AI tools that people are using right now to build online income streams. Tools that help you work smarter, not harder. First is Opus Clip, an AI tool that can automatically turn long-form videos into shareable short clips. You upload a video, and Opus Clip identifies viral moments, adds captions, and formats everything for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Creators use this to multiply their content output, reach more people, and drive traffic back to their main channels or offers without recording anything new. Next is 11 Labs, a leading AI voice generator. Instead of hiring voice actors or recording every script, many channels use 11 Labs to narrate content consistently and professionally. It's especially powerful for faceless YouTube channels, audiobooks, tutorials, and explainer videos. Midjourney is an AI image generator used for thumbnails, product mockups, backgrounds, and branding. Visually striking thumbnails dramatically increase click-through rates, and creators use Midjourney to produce professional images in seconds. ChatGPT remains one of the most powerful tools for scripting videos, researching topics, writing descriptions, optimizing SEO, and building outlines. It's not about replacing creativity. It's about speeding up the process so you can publish more consistently. Pika Labs generates short AI video clips for B-roll, intros, or narrative scenes. Instead of buying stock footage, creators generate visuals tailored to their script, which boosts uniqueness and saves money. Notion AI helps creators plan content calendars, brainstorm ideas, and automate workflows. It's like having a built-in creative assistant that keeps everything organized. Canva's AI suite allows creators to remove backgrounds, enhance images, design thumbnails, and create assets quickly. You don't need design skills. The templates and magic design features make professional branding accessible to beginners. Durable is an AI website builder that can generate a full website, text, layout, and images in under a minute. This helps freelancers, agencies, and creators spin up landing pages or portfolio sites extremely quickly. VidiQ uses AI to analyze keywords, trending topics, and search volume. This helps creators find video ideas that people are actively searching for, improving discoverability and long-term traffic. Finally, Runway generates full AI video sequences and polished B-roll. Many creators use it to produce cinematic footage that enhances storytelling and boosts retention. These tools aren't magic, but they can help you streamline content creation, automate repetitive tasks, and scale faster. If you want more deep dives into specific tools or want to see how people use them in real workflows, check out the next video.